ZEISS Axiolab 5 and Smart Microscopy. 10 highlights in 90 seconds. Axiolab 5 offers integrated encoding of nosepiece, reflector turret, and LED light sources. Your image data is always saved with the correct scaling and metadata. This smart microscope system can be fully operated without a computer, which saves space, money, and prevents IT issues. The Light Manager memorizes the individually set light intensity per objective and provides uniform brightness at all magnifications. Axiolab 5 optionally goes to standby after being idle for 15 minutes. This saves energy and extends the lifetime of the illumination. Up to 3 encoded internal fluorescence LED positions allow to individually excite dyes with single bandpass, as well as multi-bandpass fluorescence filters. 2 integrated, ergonomically positioned snap image buttons allow to acquire images and videos directly from the stand. AxioCam 208 provides live images with 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. Finer details are resolved and become discernible. Visualize and document your sample in natural colors where even subtle color differences are clearly visible. With the Twain plugin, you can acquire microscope images including the correct scale bar with Twain-compatible apps and laboratory information systems. These smart microscopes can be interconnected, and it's very easy to share images with each other. For further information, visit our website.